Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. This is Crypto Investment Slash. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please come subscribe to this channel. As you can see on my screen, this will be a brief video. You can see that I've gotten 98 BNB today. I've got another 98 Satoshi of BNB, 98 Satoshi of BNB. So another 98 Satoshi of BNB or today. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So what I will do right now is that I will take you to the website in which you can get your own BNB instantly into your Faucet Pay wallet. Hope you get what I'm trying to say, guys. So without wasting much of our time, let's take the action. So the first thing we're gonna do is that if you want to get your own BNB steadily, unlimitedly, so you just have to subscribe to this channel. You can check my channel out. Let me take you to just check my channel out. Just go on YouTube, just search my channel, Crypto Investment Slash. When it loads up, see, you can just check out my channel. You can see you have different kinds of video on how you can get free cryptocurrency. You have Nano, you have TRX, you have BitTorrent, you have Litecoin, Scorpion miner, Shiba Inu miner, and Castar. Different kind of free cryptocurrency you could get for free, guys. So don't waste this opportunity. So right now, let's go back to the website in which you can get your unlimited BNB. So this is the site. So some of you might have seen the site before, so I'll tell you how you can earn. But the first thing, that if you want to refer your friend, whatever your friend refer. Hello? Okay. So very sorry, guys. So let's continue with the tutorial. So the first thing we're going to do is that on this, actually some of you are familiar with this website, but you are not taking good advantage of this website. So the first thing you're going to do is, you're going to see these two boxes over here. So the first thing you are going to do is that you click on select coin, you select your BNB, then you paste your address, deposit address from Faucet Pay wallet. After that, you click on get free crypto. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say, guys. So you click on get free crypto. After that, you'll be taken up to this box, and this box will open to verify that you are human. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So after that, you just confirm that you are human, that you are not a robot. But in case you are a robot, you should let me know. So guys, please click each image containing a ladybug. So this is a ladybug. Okay, let's verify. So now, after you finish your verification, you click on get free crypto. So after that, you can check. Can you see this amount of Satoshi BNB has been transferred to your account? You have 0 claims left for today. Actually, on this website, you only have 5 claims a day. So per day, you can claim BNB up to 5 times. It's not something that is really difficult. Can you see the 5? I collected 5 times today. Just a daily routine stuff. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So this is the latest one I just collected. So making 5. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say, guys. So guys, if you have any question about this website, it's not something that is difficult or something like that. It's just something you can wake up and just do the simple task, guys. It's very simple, and it's not something that will take your time or hours, just within I think 5 minutes of your time. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say, guys. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, so that anytime I drop any video of this such content, you can be notified. You can also check out my content about free cryptocurrency and share my videos with your friends. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say, guys. So I think we have done for the videos today. Please subscribe once again and share my videos with your friends. Thank you. God bless you.